Hi everyone, this is Raj Reddy, mathematics teacher. Today I am going to teach you about construction about similar triangles. Okay, now let us see what is the construction. Construct a triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 4 centimeters, BC is equal to 5 centimeters, AC is equal to 6 centimeters. Okay, that is the first triangle. Measurements of the first triangle ABC are given, and the second triangle they are asking to construct similar to first triangle, that is construct another triangle similar to triangle ABC such that scale factor is 2 by 3. So in this construction we need to construct two triangles. One is ABC by using given measurements, and another is one more triangle similar to the previous triangle and whose corresponding sides ratio, scale factor is nothing but corresponding sides ratio, whose corresponding sides ratio is 2 by 3. So in this way, by using these conditions, we have to construct the two triangles which are similar to each other and scale factor is 2 by 3. Now let us see how can we construct these two similar triangles. So first we have to construct a triangle ABC. So to construct a triangle ABC, measurements are given. AB is equal to 4 centimeters, BC is equal to 5 centimeters, and AC is equal to 6 centimeters. So now one of the three line segments I am drawing now first. So first I am drawing AC is equal to 6 centimeters. So let us draw AC is equal to 6 centimeters. Here I am drawing. This is what AC line segment. Whose length is 6 centimeters. So I have drawn AC line segment 6 centimeters. Now we have to draw BC and AC arcs we have to draw. So now AB length is given as 4 centimeters and BC length is given as 5 centimeters. So we have to take radius. Okay, AB of 4 centimeters radius we have to take. So I am taking length AB is equal to 4 centimeters here. So this one is AB is equal to 4 centimeters. Before I have drawn by using scale 4 centimeters I have taken. Now by taking A as center and 4 centimeters as radius, we have to draw an arc. So I have drawn one arc by taking A as center and 4 centimeters as radius. I have drawn an arc. Next, similarly, BC is 5 centimeters. So to draw BC 5 centimeters, we have to take the BC radius 5 centimeters. So this is what radius 5 centimeters. By taking C as center, we have to draw another arc. Okay, this is what 5 centimeters. By taking radius 5 centimeters and center at C, I have drawn another arc. So two arcs are intersecting at a point. Now AB arc and BC arc are intersecting at a point. That point of intersection we have to name it as B. Now if you join AB and BC, we get a triangle. So this is what AB. This is AC. Now by joining AB and BC, I got a triangle ABC whose measurements are 6 centimeters. This is what 4 centimeters. This is what 5 centimeters. Okay. Like this we got a triangle. Now what is the next procedure? We got first triangle ABC. Now we need to construct another triangle. Similar to triangle ABC. To construct another triangle similar to ABC, we need to draw a ray. AX. we need to draw a ray AX such that, now observe how I am drawing the ray. This is what? A ray. This is A and this is X. This is what? A ray AX. How we have drawn that AX? We have to draw a ray AX such that angle CAX is an acute angle. We have to draw a ray AX such that angle CAX is an acute angle. Any acute angle. So we have drawn ray, that is over. Now after that, take the scale factor. Scale factor is what? 2 by 3. Scale factor is what? 2 by 3. Now observe what is the greatest number among numerator and denominator. What is the greatest number among these two, numerator and denominator? 3 is the greatest number. 3 is the greatest number. After finding the greatest number, what number we have? Those many arcs we have to draw on ray. Suppose 3 we got here, greatest number. 3 arcs should be drawn on ray AX. By taking equal radius, we have to draw 3 arcs. That means we are dividing this ray. We are making 3 equal parts on this ray by taking some length. So I am taking here 2 centimeters radius. 2 centimeters radius I have taken. By taking 2 centimeters radius, I am drawing 3 arcs. This is one arc, first arc. After that, by taking here as center, one more arc, second arc. Now by taking here as center, this is another arc, third arc. Now I have drawn 3 arcs. And how the 3 arcs are? I am naming it as A1, A2, A3. Now if you observe, all the 3 arcs will have equal length. That means AA1 and A1A2 and A2A3. All the 3 will have same length, that is 2 centimeters. So after drawing like this 3 arcs with same radius, we have to join A3 to C. Why we have to join A3 only to C? Always denominator number should be joined to C. Now denominator is 3, so A3 should be joined to C. A3 should be joined to C. Now I am joining A3 to C. So like this. I have joined A3 to C. After joining A3 to C, what is the numerator? 2. After joining A3 to C, numerator is 2. So through A2 we have to draw one more line parallel to A3C. Through A2 we have to draw a line parallel to A3C. So to draw that parallel line, we need to know angle here. So if we measure the angle, same angle we can construct at A2. First measure the angle at A3, same angle you construct at A2, so that we get a parallel line to A3C. So let us measure angle at A3. By keeping protractor here properly, then measure the angle here. So if we measure angle, it is 55 degrees angle. So at A3 it is 55 degrees angle. So at A2 also we have to make same angle, 55 degrees. So at A2 also I am constructing 55 degrees angle. 55 means here it will be. So 55. Now we have to join this. A2 we have to join like this. So we get a line like this. That line intersects AC. That line intersects AC at one point. That point we should take it as C dash. Where it is intersecting this parallel line, that point of intersection with AC, we should take it as C dash. So this one I took it as C dash. So after that, Again, same thing what we did here, same like that only here also we have to construct one parallel line. So to construct here a parallel line, same here also we have to measure the angle by using protractor. By using protractor, here also we have to measure the angle. So to measure the angle, I am extending this, because by using my protractor I cannot measure. If line is lengthy, then only I can measure. So again, by using protractor I am finding angle here. Let's see, I kept protractor, and the angle is 48 degrees. Angle is 48 degrees. So same angle we have to construct at C dash. Now same angle should be constructed at C dash, 48 degrees. So like this you have to keep on the line. Then 48 degrees, where it is showing, one minute. So at C it is showing 42 degrees, not 48 degrees. At C it is showing 42 degrees. So at C dash also we have to construct 42 degrees. Same angle we have to construct. So here it is showing 42 degrees. So that is the 42 degrees. So now we have to draw line like this. Parallel to BC. Parallel to BC we get one more line. So like this parallel line we get. So this is what you know, B dash. We have to mark it as B dash. Where that parallel line is intersecting AB, that line we have to mark it as B dash. Now we can observe two triangles in that. One is ABC, one is triangle ABC, and other is triangle AB dash C dash. AB dash C dash and ABC will have same shape. A, B dash, C dash and A, B, C will have same shape. So they are similar. And at the same time, the ratio of A, B dash, C dash and ABC, the ratio of sides of A, B dash, C dash and A, B, C will be 2 by 3. Because here it is 2 and this is 3. 2 by 3. Here also this is 2, this is 3. 2 by 3. Here also this is 2, this is 3. So the ratio of sides will be 2 by 3. Now once again I'll repeat what we did from starting. It last one more time. I'll repeat all the steps. First we constructed a triangle ABC such that AB is equal to 4 centimeters, that is AC is equal to 6 centimeters, AB is equal to 4 centimeters, BC is equal to 5 centimeters. I hope you all know how to construct a triangle when 3 sides are given. So by using those 3 sides we have to construct the triangle ABC. After constructing triangle ABC, I have drawn a ray AX. I have drawn a ray AX such that angle CAX is an acute angle. Angle CAX is an acute angle. So I have drawn a ray. So after drawing ray, I have seen what is the ratio. Ratio is 2 by 3. Then take the highest number from numerator and denominator. Highest number is 3. So I have drawn 3 arcs on AX by taking 2 centimeters as radius. A1, A2, A3. 3 arcs I have drawn with 2 centimeters radius. So after that, since the denominator is 3, third arc I join to C. Since denominator is 3, third arc I join to C. Then I have measured angle here to construct the same angle at A2, so that I will get parallel line. First I measured angle at A3, same angle I constructed at A2, so that I will get these two parallel lines. Now where it is intersecting AC, that point I took it as C dash. Now what I did here, same procedure I did here also. At C I measured angle, same angle I constructed at C dash. Same angle I constructed at C dash, so that here also I got one parallel line. I named it as B dash, so that I got a triangle A, B dash, C dash, which is 2 by 3 times, of sides of triangle ABC. So this is the way of construction of similar triangle to the given triangle. I hope you all understood. Yeah, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to know more interesting concepts. Thank you.